Pierre is an IT director involved and willing. With the PPM software SuitePro-G, Pierre and his team have professionalized their project portfolio management. In fact, Pierre wants to further mobilize business functions to take part in the project and build a strong project management culture. Pierre decides to coordinate the team with the PPM tool and to implement the Agile methodology. SuitePro-G presents its Agile mode. SuitePro-G offers a comprehensive Agile approach and a range of tools that facilitate the use of the Scrum method. Now, Pierre and his team are able to create project backlog on the program information sheet and enroll all the desired functions, set up the Agile sprint to formalize user stories in the sprint backlog, analyze key user stories and estimate the resource load with the planning poker, manage sprint elements with forecast and dashboard, monitor the performance with a velocity measure and the burn down chart. Pierre is glad. His team is connected on Teams. They have access to all the sprint information. With the Agile method implemented in SuitePro-G and the project management maturity level of the team, Pierre knows that he will have a rise of productivity, deliverables of high quality, and a fast ROI. There will be a close cross-sectional collaboration. Be ready to sprint with SuitePro-G. Did you enjoy this video? Don't hesitate to like it and share it. You can also subscribe on our SuitePro-G channel and be informed of SuitePro-G innovation. For more information, you will be welcome to go on our website and on our LinkedIn page. All the wave links are below the video. Thank you for watching. See you soon.